Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn the core concept of object oriented programming language is called inheritance. So we are going to understand how we can implement inheritance and what is the inheritance. So let us start. First of all, we have to understand what is inheritance. So here just I am creating a first of all class main AC. This is my class. Now what is the inheritance? Inheritance is the object oriented programming object oriented technique programming technique by which we create new class based on existing class. So what is inheritance? For creating a new class based on existing class. Now what is this? The new class is called subclass and existing class is called superclass. Okay, and the law of inheritance, what law of inheritance say? Law of inheritance. Law of inheritance. So by the law of inheritance, all the member of superclass is the member of subclass. So that you have to remember this law. If you want to implement inheritance and you want to learn Java, you want to make object oriented programming, you want to be a master in object oriented programming. So remember this is the law which you have to remember. All the member of superclass is the member of the subclass. That means whatever the variable and the methods we declare in a superclass, automatically those member and methods become the member of subclass also. Like the parent's property is automatically inherited to the child. That's why all the property of superclass become the property of subclass. Just take the example to understand it. We have a class AC. So this is the class AC in which we are creating a string name. We can say model name. Okay, and we may have the price of AC. We may have the size. Size means 1 ton, 2 ton, like this. Size of AC, and we may have float value because 1.5 ton means float. So we can say float name, model name, and we may have also string year, in which year you have purchased. Model name this way. Now we can print also void display info, like this. So I can initialize also this value here. I say model is LG. I say price is 42,000. I say size of the AC is 1.5 ton. 1.5 F because it's a floating value. year we can say 2021. String value, so we have to put in double quotes. Here I can display this value system.out.println, and here I say model AC model name equal to plus model name, like this. Then just copy and paste and paste and paste. So we have the price also, AC price. We can print here price. Then we have the size. We have the model year. And here we can print the year. So this is the one class AC, and if I run this class, creating a AC1 new AC, and I call the method AC1 dot display info. You see that in this example so far I have not used inheritance concept, but I'm giving a concept that this is the class and I'm displaying a information from the class. Now because this AC is a normal AC, but after some time I got information to create a class for smart AC. So we create the smart AC class and extend the class with AC. So you see, we created the class and we extend the property of this class. Means by the law of inheritance, all the member of this class is the member of smart AC also. So everything which is given here is also available to smart AC. I can show you example also. I have not created anything here, but if I will call the method of object of a smart AC like this, smart AC, and here smart AC class, and I call by using the smart AC object like this, and I call it, you see, I will have the same output which I got from the, see, I got from the AC class, same I got the smart AC class. Why? Because all the member of super class means all the member of this class by default is a member of a smart AC class. So without creating any method and variable, automatically I have all this property in this class. But I want to extend the, like this string, I say Wi-Fi. So it is yes or no, means they support Wi-Fi or not. Yes, it support Wi-Fi, I say, and string we can say that dual compressor support or not, we say yes. Okay, we say 5-star AC, so we say 5-star, so 5-star rating is available or not, like this, yes or no. So these kind of things is available in this, but all this information is available here. So I want to extend the power of this AC class and I want to use the smart AC also, but I want to use the property of these which is already defined in AC class, and method I want to override this method also. So what I will do? So I will use the same model variable like this, which I have model name equal to, I say this is not LG, this is Samsung. Now I have a model Samsung, so I have convert the model name with the Samsung, and price is same, ton is same, year is same. So now I will override this method. This method I will override here because I can override also, or I can create my own method also. I'm not giving the example of override right now, I will give in future. So I say display AC info. I created my method, I use all these things, but if I want to display, so I can call this method here. I can call this method display info here to display all the information which is given here, like model name, price name, ton, year, and extra information I will display manually, like it support the Wi-Fi or not, AC Wi-Fi or not. So I will display here Wi-Fi. If the AC is dual compressor, I say here dual compressor, and I 5 star, 5 star. So I give the here 5 star, like this. 5 star, not a start, like this. So now I will call the method of display AC info and I run it. So what is the error? Error is 35 line. Compilation problem. What is the error? String 5 star. Semicolon expected. Five star is here. What is this error? String Wi-Fi. So we did some mistake or not? Now I run it. It is running. Okay, now I have to change the model also. So what I will do, I will change the model super dot model name equal to Samsung. So it is generating error. Problem is coming because this is sliced by the constructor only. So we can change it here because we have to pass the value in a constructor. Is a super class variable. So here we can pass model also, like this, string model name, and we can pass model name here. Model name here, and we can pass the model information from here. Because it's a because it's a superclass variable and it will initialize the memory when object will create. So here the object is not created, object will create when I will call the method. So I'm passing the value here in model name. So now I run it and you see the model has been converted to Samsung and the compressor Wi-Fi, dual 5-star, dual compressor. So all information is coming from the subclass and other information is coming from the superclass. So by this example, we can understand that with the help of inheritance, we can import all the methods and property of superclass in subclass. That's that's why we learn the law. All the member of superclass is the member of subclass, and we have learned the definition also of inheritance. So that is the inheritance, but there are more concept of inheritance that we are going to discuss in future video. Till then,